for my extra project, we're gonna learn how to extract the DNA from a strawberry. You need all these materials, which are common household items, probably. So first things first, you have to take a strawberry or two, take off the stem, put it in a Ziploc bag, and make sure that you take all of the air out of the Ziploc to make it easier to mash. We're gonna be mashing the strawberry now. So for a minute or two, just smash your strawberries. And while you smash, you can also make your extra, what's that called? Your extracting liquid, I think. So you need a cup of water. You need a bit of dish soap. I'm gonna guess. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh. Oh? I meant to. You need around that much. And you need a spoon of dish soap as well. So you have to mix it well for around a minute. The reason that you're smashing the strawberries is to break down the cell structure so that it's easier to see the DNA at the end. When you're done mashing the strawberries, after around a minute, open your Ziploc and put around 20 milliliters of your solution inside. That's around 20 milliliters. Now put it inside of your mashed strawberries. And then just repeat the process of smashing it for around a minute. Now, put a coffee filter around like that. Now put a elastic band so that it doesn't fall off later. Now after you're done smashing your strawberries, how about we find another one? Something happened with this one. Something very shady happened with this one. Alright, so then nothing shady happens to this one. Now open your DNA. Open your strawberries. Open my DNA. Now put it all there. Okay. I have to put it a bit more. It's gonna take a minute or two to let it all go. As you can see at the bottom, it's beginning to fall. After it all falls, you're gonna have to add your cold rubbing alcohol. But for now, I'll just let it wait a minute. So while we let that set, I'm gonna put the cold rubbing alcohol into a test tube. I put more in. What? Can you do it for me, Mr. Cameraman? Just put on the table. Okay, now how about we put that inside? Oh, I think it's a bit too much. But the strawberry solution should be around done. As you can see, we don't really need that much. So let's go to the sink and take this off. Oh, that's beautiful. That's fantastic. Oh. So I'm gonna. No, let's take this. Put it into the cold rubbing alcohol. Now you do another one. Now, as you can see, there's something forming at the bottom. Do not pay attention to the little bubbles floating up. You can see there's a little cloud forming at the bottom. Later it's going to be rising up, and that's what the DNA is. The cold rubbing alcohol extracts the DNA and stuff. So look at that gigantic cloud over there. It will begin to float up slowly but surely. It's like a cotton candy. This one is so big. It's a bit shy. Just let it go up first, then I'm gonna do it. Huh? Oh, it's a pick to let me just pick it up. It's a hook. It's a paper clip. They can understand that, Mr. Cameraman. The little bubbles are forming. As you can see, it's coming up now. It's getting a bit smaller. That's just because of the bubbles forming at the top. It becomes lighter. That's why it's going up. Wow. It's all the way up now. Now whenever you want, you can just take the paper clip. And wow, this one is bigger than the other one. Wow. Look at that. And that's DNA.